So welcome back to another video. This time, Korean fried chicken from Mercadona Supermarket in Spain. See, it comes in this box here. What it says on it, you get 354 grams of this Korean fried chicken for €3.90. And you can pan fry it, or you can cook it in the oven or the air fryer. So I pan fried it. This is what you get. This plate of chicken here. Let's see, you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 pieces of chicken. And it comes with a little barbecue sauce. I think that's teriyaki sauce. So we give it a go. Don't forget, like the video and subscribe to the channel, or don't, it's up to you. Prefer if you did, but if you don't. So this is one of the pieces of chicken, the small bits, just to try it. I mean, yeah, it's okay. Bit greasy as well. There's another bit. Kind of darker in colour, almost orangey brown it came out. Well, it doesn't really look like KFC style chicken. That's different kind of batter on it. Much darker looking. And to try it with the sauce. It's almost like a smoky flavour off the barbecue sauce. I'll try one more piece. Good bit of sauce on that. That piece of chicken was a bit fatty, but it was alright. So overall, it's okay. A little bit greasy for my liking. I probably should have drained it off a little bit. But for the price, you can't really argue for €3.19 for a box of chicken. So if you're in Mercadona in Spain, have a look for that. It's an affordable meal. You get a whole load of chicken to eat. Really, it's enough for 2 people. Or, if you're really hungry, you'd eat the whole plate of it. So that's it. That's all I have to say about that. Thanks for watching, and until next time.